Have you ever wondered about the deeper purpose of your life? What is the lesson that you need to learn from this world? In Vedic astrology, there is a concept that helps us understand our soul's true desires and the lessons we are meant to learn in this lifetime. This powerful concept is known as the Atmakaraka. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Hello, my divine viewers. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Vedic Dream Meaning. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to find your purpose in life through astrology. First, let us understand the term Atmakaraka. Atma means soul and Karaka means the activator. In Vedic astrology, the Atmakaraka is considered as the soul planet. It's the planet that holds the highest degree in your birth chart, and it represents your soul's journey, its deepest longings, your desires in this life, and the karma that you are destined to fulfill in this lifetime. The Atmakaraka is quite significant because it reveals the core of who you are. It's like the heartbeat of your astrological chart. While the other planets tell us about different aspects of your personality and life, the Atmakaraka focuses on the essence of your existence. Knowing your Atmakaraka planet and which Rashi it is in your birth chart, it will be like a roadmap to your destiny. To get the full detailed analysis of the Atmakaraka, of course, we need to look into other factors like the house the Atmakaraka rules from both the Rashi chart as well as the Bhava charts. Then the planetary and Rashi aspects and conjunctions, the Karakamsha, which is the position of the Atmakaraka in the Navamsha chart, the connections between the Lagna Lord and the Atmakaraka in the ascendant and the Navamsha. So on. There are other factors as well. And this would be a whole new topic and requires advanced knowledge. So in this video, we will focus on how we can use Atmakaraka as a tool to get a glimpse of your soul path with a basic understanding just at your home. As step 1 to identify your Atmakaraka, you need to look at the planet with the highest degree in your birth chart, regardless of which sign it is in, or you can simply Google Atmakaraka calculator and give your date of birth and time of birth, and you can get the planet details directly. Traditionally, the primary planets, that is the Sun, the Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn are considered as Atmakaraka, while Rahu and Ketu are considered as shadow planets, and they are only like a representative vector force that is derived from the planetary positions of the Sun and the Moon at the time of your birth. So they are not considered as Atmakaraka. However, this is a very debatable topic, as many astrologers later on, they did some research and included Rahu as Atmakaraka planet as well. Anyways, for the purpose of this video, we will stick to the 7 primary planets. Today we are going to discuss about the influence of Saturn as your Atmakaraka. Saturn, known as Shani in Vedic astrology, is often called as a taskmaster of the planets. As a planet of discipline, karma and responsibility, Saturn shapes your soul's journey with a focus on perseverance, hard work and life lessons. If Saturn is your Atmakaraka, it signifies that your life's mission is deeply connected with facing challenges, fulfilling your duties and achieving mastery through persistence and following the righteous path. Let's start with the qualities if Saturn is your Atmakaraka. Discipline and responsibility. Saturn is a planet of hard work, discipline, humbleness, responsibility, etc. You are someone who values hard work, sense of duty, and you understand the importance of structure and order in life. You are likely to take your commitments very seriously, often putting in the necessary effort to achieve your goals, even if it means making sacrifices along the way. If your Saturn is in good dignity with hard work and perseverance, you will attain good heights in your career. Saturn does not accept laziness, so therefore when a person does not work or he stops doing things that he's supposed to do, Saturn will throw problems at him so that he will get up again and develop discipline again in his life. Tolerance and patience. Saturn teaches patience and the value of time. You are likely to have a high tolerance for difficult situations due to a very challenging upbringing that you had or a very challenging childhood. and you understand that true success often comes after overcoming significant obstacles. You may find that you're often tested in life with delays and long-term problems, but these challenges are meant to strengthen your character and resilience and develop a very healthy mindset. However, if Saturn is afflicted in the chart, then the person may struggle with issues of fear, insecurity, and you might become too self-critical. People with Saturn Atmakaraka will experience crucial time of transition and personal growth during the Saturn return period. So, at the time when you were born, Saturn will be occupying a specific sign. It takes Saturn about 29 and a half years to make a full journey through all the Rashis. Then, it returns to the same position that it was at the time of your birth. So, this phenomena in astrology is called as a Saturn return. Of course, it happens to all of us, but for Saturn Atmakaraka people, it will be quite significant, or there'll be some huge transitions to understand whether you're living up to your potential for your soul's evolvement. Loneliness and solitude. Saturn represents detachment. Therefore, people with Saturn Atmakaraka, they will often experience solitude or loneliness at various stages in their life. You usually tend to have very few friends or no friends at all. This can manifest as a deep sense of isolation or feeling that you must face your struggles all alone. However, this solitude often leads to giving you a very deep introspection and spiritual growth, and it also helps you understand yourself better and your life purpose better. Karma and justice. As a planet of karma, Saturn emphasizes the importance of action and their consequences. So you're likely to be very aware of what is ethical and moral principles. You have a strong feeling and a need to do what is right, even when it is very difficult. You may also experience situations where you must confront past actions, either in this life or from a karmic perspective. You are here to deal with karmic lessons. When Saturn is placed in a difficult position, like in the sign of Cancer, its usual traits can become harder to express because Saturn represents detachment and practicality, whereas Cancer is like more emotional and sensitive nature. Saturn will find it challenging to align and can lead to difficulties in letting go of past wounds or getting a very realistic perspective or being practical. As a result, individuals with this kind of placement may struggle to deal with their own karmic lessons, and you might start looking at it like a punishment. Maturity and wisdom. Saturn's influence often brings maturity at a very early age. You may find that you have taken on responsibility that others of your age normally do not, leading to a very greater sense of wisdom and understanding. So this maturity allows you to guide others, often serving as a stabilizing force for your family or friends, or being like a guide to your family and friends. You tend to develop humility from the lessons of your hardships that you have experienced from a very young age. Saturn is a planet that will make you aware of your own flaws, like a good critic. Rather than getting frustrated with what you lack, it is very important for you to get more practical, like understanding that some limitations, circumstances are beyond your control. You have to find peace in accepting these flaws, accepting this truth. Instead of worrying on what you lack, try to make use of the existing resources that you already have and try to create an impact with it. This is what Saturn actually encourages you to do. This is the actual motive of the Saturn. With Saturn as your Atmakaraka, your soul's purpose is Saturn's quality of facing up to responsibility, discipline, taking your duty seriously from a very young age compared to your peers. The sole lesson of Saturn as an Atmakaraka is you learning to be practical in how to deal with obstacles in life and see it as a way of transformation. Your life's work should focus on helping others through their struggles, especially people with physical disabilities and older people. You should keep your workers or employees or house helpers happy as they represent Shani. To reduce the malefic effects of Shani, being respectful to them and treating them well is necessary. Saturn is linked to discipline. He is about doing things consistently and putting in effort consistently. So learning to maintain a routine and sticking to your practices is very important. Learning about Saturn's influence and figuring out how to work along with him can help you stay healthy and manage your emotions better. Saturn takes his time and is associated with aging. So you might find that you gain wisdom and understanding later in life with age and experience. By accepting the slow process of growth and learning from your life experiences and hardships, that will help you in your personal as well as in your professional progress. Every Atmakaraka comes with its own set of challenges, and Saturn is no exception. Fear and anxiety. Saturn's influence can sometimes bring feelings of fear, anxiety, or desperation. You may find yourself worrying about the future or getting burdened by the weight of all your responsibilities at a very young age. It's important to recognize these feelings and work through them rather than letting them hold you back or worrying about them. Like I mentioned earlier, the sole lesson of Saturn as an Atmakaraka is for you to learn to be practical in how to deal with the obstacles in your life and see it as a way of transformation. But this maturity comes with age and experience. Till then, it would be a little confusing for you and you might be very fearful if you're following the right path or why you're being challenged in this way. Rigidity and stubbornness. With Saturn as your Atmakaraka, there is the risk of becoming overly rigid or stubborn in your ways. You may find it very difficult to adapt to change or to be flexible in your approach as well. This can lead to some challenges in your personal and professional relationships. Loneliness and isolation. As mentioned earlier, you may experience periods of loneliness or isolation. While solitude can be a path to self-discovery, it's also important to stay connected with others and not retreat yourself into your own world. As a Saturn Atmakaraka person, there would always be a challenge to follow a disciplined life, but also to let yourself loose and enjoy with your peers. Karmic burdens. Saturn is closely associated with karma, and having Saturn as your Atmakaraka may indicate that you're carrying karmic burdens from your past actions. So this could manifest as a recurring challenge or difficult life circumstances that seem to follow you everywhere. Understanding and addressing these karmic lessons is a crucial part of your spiritual journey. Unless these karmic lessons are learned, you would notice a pattern that is being repeated in your life.
If you find a channel interesting, crisp and concise, then please do subscribe to our small channel to show your support. Your likes and shares are very encouraging to us. Thank you. Now coming back to the topic.
If you feel like you're struggling with the challenges that come with Saturn as your Atmakaraka and you're unable to tap into the full potential, here are some simple remedies that you can follow. Mantra chanting. Chant the Shani mantra. Om Sham Shanisharaya Namaha. Om Sham Shanisharaya Namaha. Om Sham Shanisharaya Namaha. 108 times daily, especially on Saturdays, to strengthen Saturn's positive influence in your life. Strictly avoid non-veg on Saturdays. Charity and service. Engage in acts of service, particularly helping those who are less fortunate. This could include donating to causes that support the elderly, the poor, or those with physical disabilities. Acts of kindness and service can help balance your Saturn's karmic energy. Discipline and routine. Establish a disciplined daily routine that includes time for self-reflection, meditation, and some physical exercise. This will help you stay grounded and focused, allowing you to navigate the Saturn's challenges more effectively. Respecting elders and helpers. Showing respect and care for the elderly, particularly those in your family, and helpers can help improve your Saturn's energy in your life. Spending time with older family members, listening to their advice, and support them in any way you can.